everyone. So today is a lovely Sunday, and today we have great event, the Eastern India's greatest bike rally, which is Wheels United 2018. So time is around it's about to get 7. So I'm pretty excited today. Let's see what happens.
Last year, on this very event, I became part of a riding group named Flying Knights. Since then, I always try to be a part of most of their rides. And what can be a better day to ride with them apart from Wheels United?
হ্যালো, আমি তো এই জায়কার অপোজিটে। তোমরা কোথায়? আমি কি উল্টো দিকে আসবো না তোমরা এদিকে আসবে? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আমি আসছি ওদিকে।
First, every member of our group were supposed to meet at a common point and then head towards Satragachi bus terminal. We were asked to reach Satragachi bus terminal before 8 in the morning, but from our past experience, we knew that the ride will not start that early. When we reached the starting point, the ride was about to start and the lineup was being made. Previous year, it was almost a gathering of around 1200 bikes, and this time it was no different. We came to know that this time the number of registration had crossed 1500. We clicked few pictures with our lined up bikes and then started for the rally. The ride started at around 8:45 am. The destination was a resort near Kolkata, and it was approximately 50 kilometers from where we all started. Riding in group is always fun, but sometimes it is hard to make coordination among other riders and judge their movements. But it has its own beauty and it was all going good. On the way, the rally took quite a few stops, which was annoying sometimes, but it is not an easy task to manage such a large group and make them reach safely to the destination. The marshals were doing a good job in managing the rally lineup, but one thing which I personally didn't like is that the common people who were on the same route were stopped and were asked to wait until the complete lineup crossed that point. That can be really annoying for them, but police personnel were again doing a good job managing the congestion. finally reached the venue. It took us more than 2 hours to reach the destination. The venue was very well decorated, unlike previous year, and there was lot of space for parking the bikes. We all parked our bikes and started exploring the entire place to see what all the arrangements were done. Last year, we couldn't see our logo on that banner, but this time Flying Knights was there. It was really a proud moment for all of us. We collected our snacks and goodies and searched a place to relax and eat as we all were very hungry. After spending some time over there, we all planned to leave and started from there. Finally, it was an end. Wheels United is one of a kind rally which will always be special because it attracts riders from different sectors, be it male or female, young or old, a superbike or scooty. Everyone is united on a single day to ride for their freedom. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you liked it.